All right, this is the continuation of the perimeter of the plane shapes we have been studying. So in this video, we shall be looking at the perimeter of plane shapes. By the end of this video, the student should be able to find the perimeter of a parallelogram, trapezium, and circle. Now, also take them one by one. The perimeter of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided shape that has its opposite sides of equal length. It has its opposite sides of equal length, just like a rectangle. Now, what is the opposite side? This is a centimeter. This side and this side are opposite, so they are equal. The same thing with this one, b centimeter and b centimeter. You can see that both sides facing each other are of equal length. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is, remember that the perimeter of any shape is the sum of all the sides. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Now, what is the sum of all the sides? Bracket opens, a plus a plus b plus b. Bracket closes, all in centimeter. Now we add a plus a is 2a plus b is 2b. Remember that they are a and b are unlike terms. You can only add like terms, or you don't add unlike terms. So a plus a is 2a and b plus. You cannot say 2a plus 2b 4ab. No way, it cannot work, because a and b are unlike terms. Okay, let's continue. Now, what is common there? 2 is there, so bring out to the common factor. Left is a plus b, or a centimeter. That is the formula for the perimeter of a parallelogram. Now let's solve an example. Example: calculate the perimeter of the shape below. They mustn't give you a shape. You can just put it in the sentence without giving you any shape. They can give you the length and the breadth, then you have to calculate it. It mustn't be a shape. Okay, all right, so okay, that's the shape of a parallelogram. Okay, the side here is 4 cm, the side here is 2 cm. Now, solution. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Remember, since the opposite sides are equal, they gave us only two sides. Since the opposite sides are equal, that means this one is 4 cm, this will also be 4 cm. This side is opposite to this side, so 2 cm and 2 cm. So we have 4, also in brackets, plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, or in centimeter, which is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 centimeter. Or if we decide to use the formula we had before, if we decide to use this formula, hope you are seeing it. If we decide to use this formula, 2 in bracket 2 plus 5 bracket closes, we now have perimeter equals 2 in bracket a plus b centimeter, where a is 4 cm, 4 centimeter, B is 2 centimeter. Now we substitute inside the formula. You have 2 in brackets, 4 plus 2 all in centimeter, which is you add the one inside the bracket first. We talk about bird mass. So 2 in bracket, 4 plus 2 is 6 or in centimeter. Means that 2 times 6 is 12 centimeter. You can see they are the same thing. Okay, we are done with that of the parallelogram. We talk about the perimeter. The perimeter of a trapezium. Perimeter of a trapezium. Now, what is a trapezium? We say that a trapezium is a four-sided shape. It's a four-sided shape having two of each sides. Having two of each sides parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. A trapezium is a four-sided shape having two of each sides parallel to each other. Remember, we said yesterday that parallel lines, there are lines that can never meet. And remember, I said that it's like the devil and God. There are two parallel enemies that can never meet. Yes, our God, devil and God, they can never agree because they are complete enemies. So you label the sides. You label the sides A, B. This side is A centimeter. This one B centimeter. This C centimeter. And D centimeter. Now, what is the perimeter? We say that, okay, remember that AB, okay, AB is parallel to CD. I'm not even showing it. AB is parallel to CD. So write it CD. They are parallel to each other. Okay. We'll solve an example. Okay, you have not even found the perimeter. You now find the perimeter of a trapezium. Perimeter of a trapezium is the sum of all the sides. Remember, I said that perimeter is the sum of all the sides of any shape. That's perimeter. So that means perimeter is equals, put it in bracket, A plus B plus C plus D, all in centimeter. That is A plus B plus C plus D. Sum the sides. Sum the sides. Now, we solve an example. I hope you are following. Don't be tired. Example. Find the perimeter of the shape. Find the perimeter of the shape below. Now, what is the shape? I draw the shape. That's the shape. Now, this one is 5 cm. This is 3 cm. This is 6 cm and 2 cm. Now, solution. Sununcho. Sunumegini. Sure. Yes, Sununcho. Now, the perimeter of the trapezium is equals to, put it in bracket, 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, all in centimeters. Close your bracket. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. I want to make it clear. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6 is 16 centimeters. Hope you understand. Alright, we forge ahead. Now, the next one, the last but not the least, is the perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. Now, what is a circle? A circle is a round plane shape. A circle is a round plane shape. Is a round plane shape bounded by a curve. Bounded by a curve. A round plane shape. That's the shape of a circle. Don't mind me. That's the shape of a circle. Now, for a circle, in the diagram, we have what we call diameter. Remember yesterday we talked about diameter of a circle. The diameter is a line that divides the shape into two equal parts. Oh, my book is shifting. This is the diameter. Don't mind this one. This is the diameter. Diameter. It divides a circle into two equal parts. The line here is the diameter. So D is equals to diameter. And then we talk about radius. The radius is from the point here to the circumference. It's from the middle. The short line is half of diameter. It's from here to here, or from here to here. It's half of the diameter from here to here. So our radius is equals to is radius, or half of diameter, or half of diameter. You can write it like this: d over 2. That's half. D over 2. I hope you're following. Yes, d over 2. That's the radius. Okay, we continue. Now, what is the perimeter of the circle? The perimeter of a circle is the circumference. The perimeter of a circle can also be called the circumference of the circle. Is the circumference. That means perimeter is equal to circumference. For that of a circle, when you talk about perimeter of a circle, you talk about circumference. Sometimes they ask you, what is the circumference of the circle? So you should know that circumference and perimeter, they are the same thing. So perimeter is equal to circumference. Now, what is the formula for the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, or pi d. Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. R is the radius, d is the diameter. So in case they give you only the radius, then you use this formula. If you are given the diameter, you can use this formula. Alright? Okay. And we have the pi as a constant. Pi is a constant. Pi, that is equal to 22 over 7, is a constant. You should know that it's a constant. Okay, let's solve an example. Example: calculate the perimeter of the shape below. Of the shape below. Now, what is the shape? It's a circle. The circle. Now here we are given 7 cm. Now, what is the solution? Remember, the perimeter of a circle is also the circumference is equals to, they gave us here the radius. So the formula here will be 2 pi r, because the radius is being given. It's only the radius. So where r is 7 cm and pi, remember pi is a constant anywhere, 22/7. So perimeter will now be what? You now substitute inside the formula. Substitute the r and pi inside this formula. So you now be what? 2 times 22/7 times r, which is 7 cm made over 1. So now be 7 can divide 7. So 7 divide itself is 1. So what is left? 2 times 22 I mean. 2 times 22 is what? 44 centimeter. Hope you are following me. If you have any question, you can ask. Now let's solve another example on the circle. Another example. So say calculate the perimeter. Calculate the perimeter of the shape below. Calculate the perimeter. Centimeter. Now, what is being given here? Here, we are giving only the diameter. We are giving the diameter. So we find the solution. Solution is perimeter of a circle is equals to pi d. Because of what? They gave us d. D is being given. So solve for. We use the other formula, which is pi d. So remember that our pi is a constant. Our pi is 22/7 and d is 21 centimeter. D is 21 centimeter. Alright? Okay. We substitute in the formula. Perimeter is equals to pi is 22/7 times 21 centimeter. You can say over 1. Alright, which is equals to 7 can divide 21. If 7 divides 20, there will be remainder. That's why we're dividing with the one that can divide, except that both of them you cannot divide them. You know what to do about that. So 7 divides itself is 1. 7 divides 21 is 3. Now we are left with what? 22 times 3 is what? 66 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter or the circumference of this circle is 66 centimeter. I hope you understand all. Thank you, and I will soon send the assignment, so make sure you do your assignment inside your assignment book to be submitted at resumption. Thank you very much. I love you.